Days Marinong and Vito will buy him some cake! Dili kita suboy sa Girly Sweets cake and pastries. And we have here ang ilang specialty. Cake Al Capone. Ay! Ay! Kag since it's malapit na ang November, as you could notice, meron kita trick or treat. Yay! So I gotta get one. Hindi. Ano, mabunot pala? Okay, mabunot na ko. Abi ko gani, makuha na ko. Ay, sige na, tawag na. Ang ating swerte. Kapati ka mo to Humaga. Mag-congratulations. Here we go. Let's see. Assuming tayo masyado. Pero feeling ko na. Congratulations. Kung hindi siya congratulations, comment down below na lang congratulate me. Ahay, abi ko ba naman? Karamot sa ilang nga brownies. Nakuha lang ko pero ibalik ko. Karila brownies, no? Smells good. Ay! No fear. Leave your sadness. Enjoy the Halloween and harness your power. Yan! And tag 15 pesos lang ang aton nga brownies. And since wala kita daw, timabakal lang kita sang brownies. Okay man. Ilawan ta kung namit. But it smells good. Yeah, I love the smell. Love it. Alright, so let's go na. And bigay natin ang ating cake to Manong. See you there!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!